Okay, let's be real. No one ever thinks it'll happen to them. You go out, have fun, meet people, maybe make a few risky choices, and tell yourself, I'm fine. But what if I told you there's something out there that doesn't just infect you? It stays with you for life. HIV isn't just some distant problem, and it's not just something that happens to other people. It's real. It's here. And the scariest part, it evolves. Unlike most viruses, HIV doesn't just attack cells. It hides inside your DNA, and the secret weapon that makes this possible, reverse transcriptase. In Indonesia, over 500,000 of people are living with HIV inside their bodies, and many of them doesn't even know it. Testing isn't something people really talk about here, and even if you do get tested, getting treatment is another thing to be, it's another struggle. I've seen people who thought that they were fine, who didn't take protection seriously, and then boom, one bad test result changed their life forever. And the worst part, even if they get medication, HIV always mutates. If they miss doses, the virus can become resistant, and suddenly the drugs that were keeping them alive stop working. It's like playing a game where the rules are always changing and you have to always follow the rules. And the virus is always one step ahead. That's because HIV's reverse transcriptase is incredibly sloppy. It makes mistakes, a lot of mistakes, leading to mutations that make the virus harder to fight. So to explain retroviruses and reverse transcriptase, what makes reverse transcriptase so special? This enzyme or protein is found in retroviruses like HIV, and it lets the virus convert its RNA into DNA. That's a really big deal, because once HIV's DNA is inside the host's genome, it can stay there permanently, making new viral particles whenever it just wants. That's why it's so hard to cure your old cells start making the virus without realizing it. One of the most effective HIV drugs actually inhibits the reverse transcriptase that the virus has, stopping the virus from converting its RNA into DNA. But because RT is error prone, it could lead to many mistakes, and it could mutate really rapid, leading to drug resistance. But here's the twist. Reverse transcriptase isn't just some bad news. Scientists actually use it for research, especially in molecular biology. It allows us to convert RNA into DNA, which is very useful for studying gene expression. This process, called reverse transcriptase or PCR, RT-PCR, helps amplify RNA templates just like DNA. This is a game changer for detecting viruses, including HIV and even COVID-19. Just like in the body, reverse transcriptase creates a DNA copy for the RNA, but in the lab, we use this trick to analyze genes and diseases more effectively. So here's the conclusion. So among what I've said so far, you can't control how viruses mutate, but you can actually control the risks you take. Get tested, use protection, take prevention seriously. Because once HIV is in the system, in your body, it's a lifelong battle, and you can't just get out of it. Not just against the virus, but against its mutations. Science is fighting to stay ahead using the very enzyme that makes HIV dangerous to study and combat diseases. Evolution may be HIV's greatest weapon, but innovation is ours. The smartest move? Don't let yourself fall behind.
Yeah.
Continue.
Iya, Cok.
Okay,
Yuk.